Welcome back to our channel. Today, I will explain you the parts of an hibiscus flower. After reaching home, I will explain you the parts of the hibiscus flower.
Bye.
Bye friends, we are going back to our home. I've reached my home and now I will show you the parts of an hibiscus flower. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So this green color part is known as the sepal, the full covering sepal. I have now took that out like this. You just like cut that and you get it like this. So this is known as sepal, and this part is ovary, this swollen part. It by mistakenly came this style, the thread part came outside, it just broke. So yeah, this is ovary, this thread is style, this is sepal, and let me show you the rest of the parts. So there are 5 petals inside hibiscus flower. I'm going to remove it slowly. Now I have removed the petals and this is the petal. The colorful part of our flower is known as petal. So now I will remove this part. Just cut slightly here. I will show you to you guys. Okay. So this yellow color is known as anther. Only the yellow color, and the thread-like structure is filament. Now I am just removing. I have cut the part. You have to remove it like this. There is an inner structure inside that, white color. You should not cut that. Now I have removed this part, and then you will see actually the ovary should come here, but it just came inside this. It should have been like this. Anyways, like this you are going to open this part. You just don't need that. And now you are going to open the rest of the part. This thread-like structure inside the covering of the pistil is known as style. I hope you can see this thread-like structure is style and this is stigma. The ovary should have come like this, but it came like this. So this is all attached together and it is known as pistil. So now I have took the ovary out and this is what it looks like. And then I have cut a small part of it over here. I hope you can see it. Yeah, there are small ovules inside the ovary. I guess there are 6 parts are there in them, like 6 divisions. Now I have cut the ovary in vertically. I guess you can't see it properly, but there are so many ovules. I've wrote here anther, and this small yellow color, you can see the small dots are known as anther, and I've wrote here filament. So this thread-like structure is known as filament, and this is stamen. Anther and filament together is known as stamen. I mean these all parts. Okay, the next step is sepal. I've wrote here sepal. These are sepal, the green color part. Okay, and then this is ovary, and inside the ovary there are many ovules, and this is petals. I told you before, the colorful part of a flower is known as petals. There are even pink hibiscus. I have even checked that. I even checked that and all parts of the red hibiscus were same. I hope you understood all the parts of the hibiscus flower. If you liked this video, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.